go. Facing downhill, get tall, and let the ski do all the work. There we go. Let me see ya. Yeah, oh. And you know what? If you speed it up, you won't even go into a wedge. So let's get some speed up now. Very good at staying forward. Okay, here we go. Tall. Stay forward when you... Excellent! Now you're using your edges. Wow! Wow! Hey, Neil. Okay, stand up a little taller though. Taller and forward. You were just starting to sit down. You did really good up until it started to get mushy. Nice. You're staying in the good stance the whole way. That's beautiful. Very good, and you're actually, if you look at your tracks, you're getting very good edging now. Look at that. Yeah, now you're letting the skis do the work. Yes. You see how you have to really, now you came back on that turn. Watch me. You did really good. You're doing good and bad, doing bad. You're going in and out, but it's better than never getting there. So you're getting a taste of it. A little closer together with your feet. Yeah, right there. Good. I have to run down there. I'm running a little late, but please